including the install of 4 washers and 2 dryers in here.
Basically, we have a total of 12 cabins and cottages. It's basically like a mini hotel suite. We basically do our own laundry up here, towels to sheets to covers, bidets, you name it, it goes through here. This is going to definitely help assist in getting everything done the way we need it done. When we're at full capacity, we're running at about 3/4 all machines 6 to 8 hours a day. We also assist in the animal care areas too. When they get backlogged or if something breaks down in their areas, having the new machine, it's definitely going to be nice that they're not going to feel like they're being backlogged and having laundry stacked everywhere.
All we got is these 2, and we're looking good. Whenever you get the actual, pet beds in, anything that's got fur or hair on it, start with the actual dryer first. Power, pet hair remover, start. And this is a 10-minute cycle that actually, traps the hair in the actual lint screen. And then whenever it's over, then you actually wash it. So there's like, much less hair in your actual pump.
Awesome.
And so it just saves time. Plus it saves, the maintenance on the actual washing machine.
Right. That'll save us on lint pulling a little bit.
I'm excited. Yeah, me too. I'm excited to have them once.
Awesome.
It's not often that we have partnerships where you actually come up and you actually help us install. We're going the right direction. That's the important thing. We're going the right direction, moving with Speed Queen.
We're happy to be a partner for you guys.